If you want to enable USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now, over here, we're going to scroll all the way down and choose About Phone. Next, you should be able to find the Software Information option, and in here, we need to keep tapping on Build Number until you need to allow development settings. So press OK over here, and then you should see that developer mode has been enabled. In the meantime, you might need to enter your screen lock password. So after that, we can go back to the settings and scroll further down in order to reveal developer options. And then in here, you should be able to find USB debugging in the debugging section. There is a chance that you will see that the USB debugging is blocked by auto blocker. So in this case, we need to go back to settings, and then we're gonna choose security and privacy. And over here, we have this auto blocker, which we need to disable. So turn it off, and then go back into developer options, and you should be able to find USB debugging accessible. So you can tap over here in order to turn it on.